welcome to Pearls of Wisdom video tutorials. My name is Jennifer. I'm the owner of Pearls of Wisdom, co-owner of Mainline Pearls. Today we're going to talk about what to do when your stitches have fallen off the needle, as you can see, as mine have here. So I've put stitch stoppers. If I use stitch stoppers, which I rarely do, this wouldn't happen. Actually, I made this happen, but it certainly has happened to me. It just happened to me this morning where I picked up my project and the stitches had come off. So it's nice to put these on immediately so that you do not lose any more stitches. So if you failed to put them on, you see this situation and you're not able to fix it right away, or even if you are able to fix it while you get yourself oriented, it's good to put stitch stoppers. So I am going to take off the left one. And I guess it's important to see where is your working yarn. So in this case, my working yarn is connected over here, and that means that the stitches go on the left needle. It could be the opposite case, in which case you'd put them on the right needle. So the most important thing is to grab them. So as you can see, this one is starting to come undone. That needs to be fixed. That missed, the last stitch dropped off, but it's better to get the loop because you don't want the loop to ladder down. The more it ladders down, the more work it is, and you may or may not know how to do that. So I'm just putting this in from the front to the back. If you split the stitch a little bit, you can fix it as you knit it. Now that one may have been oriented differently. No, I think not. I've cut all the stitches. Hope that was helpful. Next up, I will show you how to fix that one that has been dropped down, and also what to do if any of these are twisted.